Following as last week, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama,
Welcome to the Political Ranch with me, the voice, right here on Ghana 7 TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, will be notified. Bushan for who mistake I we've seen the kind of mistake we have made voting for NDC. Now, say, on internal issues. Aden president a selecti obia omumpe. Se ombe DCE or Zabzugu. Na se president a selecti obia mumpe na mbe mu demonstration na. Mu ye mu office. Ana se nipa no nko loki e friend kra assembly ni dan se nipa no mu mani nya dwuma. Na eba ne sena muko se o mu ti asie muko ye na mu se mu ye demonstration na mu nim se demonstration e wo Ghana no eye emra kwa so se wo fa na wo ye demonstration no yen sorry kwa sa se ye ko ye demonstration yen sa to the extent that now you have killed an innocent pregnant woman no me kunu ya Aden ya musi DCE o say ya point obi a mumpe no enti mako kun obi a onim hu hwe onu oh Aden NDC for Aden oman we no dey emudia Ghana no is your birthright is Aden yemu den bium mu den biom NDC for mu den biom boni ben ababa kwa ya to amamu no Aden ye da ye ntimi da say you people have guns almost asema na miko asemu na mika pa say guns we eto bebrebe aba hye o man we mu ebra na ye ko to aba NDC for the threaten pa after election na Malik percentale mu nyina na eto omu mu say 4K men, 3K women, and it's ansem nyina no. And them mu be bia ekodu. And them so bia hu. Mu amwasem mu win election. Since the day I'm moving election way 8 December till today, Ghana has known no peace. From 8 December to Ghana knows no peace.
Concerning his MMDC nomination in the northern region and Zabzugu district, I own of northern region. And branch concern youth of NDC, Omupia Bontin said, following the nomination by the president, they are not in support of the nominee, Mr. Daniel Lakobu Tani. Onono omuji dise nipa Jomama or Yaba Bontin and you be or a residence and I say or one of the dominant tribe who is the Dagomba by tribe, so they are not in support of him. Now sa protest during that youth security for ba Bontin ebe pamumu ana omuko abontin kunu nchen baby e block kwan bi wo ho na obi a obefa sa area no kra na omu threat no omu harazi omu nti papa bi ne yiri mba mienu omu betwoma kona ase tu na ade omu kuta no nti omu stop omu ana omu anjina nti in the course of that no ana some branch protest ni bi you see gun fire omu na mami ba queen was shot on the stomach, and the other woman was also injured, including the rider. Until immediately they were rushed to the hospital, but the pregnant woman, the baby na on the spot, and all we.
Emabunu no moyo ye kire. Se meti won kire mu nimu ya, e na motorbike bi twemu a emam unity so aba akonyem. enu nti no mo san maburu na wo ye oyekire no ho no e na gina wan na moto ni twam no na chese obi tutuo efo mu abo emamienu ani rider no
protest for no mo protest no omo na mo kuta tuo na there because of the president nominee. So they even went over to ransack some of their party properties in the area. So with the intervention of the security, they were rushed to organize outside the community, blocking some of the entries of the places, road linking to the Zabzugu township. So papaya owning Maminu Timutusu aircon. In the course of the Mustafa Muso Munjina. So papa no ayede wantie wanjina nti ana sa group no mbrantan bi eshutu
Abdul Kader woni party chairman akasa why emphasize why establish say mabunu no omo ye NDC for.
Yes, one say there are so many things omo ye NDC for ana entmen ko ba say unidentified na say non-party affiliation bodies can protest against a nominee. So automatically they are NDC supporters, and this is not the first place. I can say that there are other places that issues concerning the nomination of the MMDC are still pending because of the persons the president has nominated for them, including some other places in the Upper East Talented District where their party office was set ablaze midnight.
Mu NDC for we are. Ye can ye fa se anama ye se, ye fa se anama se, ye fa anama ye aden. Na political party bring crane, na ya edi boy edua na se den. Because he said that they no dwu wan won't ase. You will not understand that people win election, and ever since winning the election, they have not been at peace. Ever since they won the election, the people who have won, they have never been at peace. They even came to power and they started running after their opponents as though it was a military coup that was like, and the whole thing, who drew my own tears. And they thought they be an be some said, Obi, I said, Obi boy, dear, Obi the NDC boy, dear. Na se obi su na die NDC boy edua de sa nipa onu su no ne ne edin pa because edua boy we de anu odin kasa anu odin aden election baku se ehun sem bebre now the family of the lady, pregnant woman, what are you going to tell her? What are you going to tell her now? The family of the what are you going to tell them? Ko kan say moi mu DC I say or moi ajomahama apoje DC amamu no. Ehumbufu ni ntokwanti. Makoko obi ba ya. NDC aden mu den biu. Power no mumpe power nana. Are you not ready to govern? Munye ready. I say munye ready. Amu ken say munye ready. And then say ko to abani biom. Because ko sesem bebre ko su there. Sorry for my choice of words. Enye kra. Is becoming extremely alarming. Very, very alarming. This is not what we voted for. This is not what we bargained for. No way. This is not what we bargained for. This is not what we were promised. John Mahama, and there we now promise here. Ghanaians, innocent Ghanaians are losing their lives because of your own internal issues. NDC for a day. This has been a political round with me, the voice right here on Ghana and SEM TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye. Cheers. See you in the next one.